Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in with your girl Letitia McKinney. And if this is your first time here, we would so love to have you. All you do is have to click that subscribe button down below and turn that notification button so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So let's start in today's video. So my friends, if you did not catch yesterday's tutorial, you can click that iCard, and I think this is beautiful on the tutorial that we did. But today we are doing a Dollar Tree DIY using some beautiful brooches. So I'm going to just press these up against here, and I'm not too sure about it because it kind of overlap a little bit, and I'm going to tell you guys something that you can do later on in this tutorial. So if you know someone that really loves pearls, I will use these, just making sure I remove the pin that's on the back. And it's great to just sew it onto there than using hot glue. That's just something I prefer. Now I know I don't usually do the rose gold, but I think that this is absolutely beautiful with this color. Look at there. That is beautiful, and I do love this detail. It has a lot of detail with the stones in there. So check out this one. Now this one has a lot of details to it. Look at there. That is beautiful. I love it. And if I was you, I would just kind of place it to the side, not directly in the center, because I would think it'll just make it stand out just a little bit more. And be careful with these slippers because they are really thin. So everyone, you know I don't usually tell you which one is my favorite, but this one is my absolute favorite. I don't care that it's lapping over. I am going to DIY this one for myself and use it for myself. But if you guys have enjoyed this video, I would love it if you give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, because I think this would be an absolutely beautiful gift for those who don't have a silhouette or Cricut machine. But if you do, leave it down below so we can do some more tutorials together. All right, friends, tell me which one that you absolutely love. You guys have a blessed and beautiful holiday, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye.